All right, so I want to show you how to access the math book through Clever. You have Clever, if you go onto your homepage, it should have Big Ideas Math, and if you click on it, it should sign you into all the resources our math book gives us, which is really important for the purposes of if you need help. If you click ebook, there's also a video library that's very helpful. Like there's a bunch of stuff that's really helpful. But the ebook is where we're actually working from. So it's this book right here, Big Ideas, Integrated 1. So this is the book we are working with right now. And we're looking at the characteristics of lines on the coordinate plane. We have been talking about this for quite a while now. But now we're not just talking about one line, we're talking about multiple lines. Okay, so we're talking about two lines and what it looks like when those two lines touch each other or don't touch each other. So it says lines in the coordinate plane. In the coordinate plane, two lines are parallel if and only if both vertical lines, Lord. Okay.
In a coordinate plane, two lines are parallel if and only if they are both vertical lines or they both have the same slope.
Now, what's really cool about what just happened is you can go on the ebook and it'll read it to you. Okay, so like if you struggle with the reading piece, that's fine. That's why I'm giving you this. This resource is really important. Okay, now second core concept.
In a coordinate plane, two lines are perpendicular if and only if one is vertical and the other is horizontal, or the slopes of the lines are negative reciprocals of each other.
So the first one says they're parallel if they have the same slope, but look, also they don't touch, right? So they're parallel. The second one says if one's horizontal and one's vertical, okay? Or if they have reciprocals. So that means they're making a 90-degree angle, okay? Opposite reciprocal slopes. And then the last one.
In a coordinate plane, two lines are coincident if and only if their equations are equivalent.
Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to take these four sets of pairs of lines and I'm going to put them in Desmos to show you how to do assignment 3. So I'm making the video right now, so I'm going to go to Desmos. Okay. This might work, it might not, who knows? Okay. So my first line is 2x plus y equals 2. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it. Oh, maybe I can't paste it. Nope, can't paste it. So I have to retype it. 2x plus y equals 2. Okay. And the second line is x minus y equals 4. Okay. So now we could take a look at these two lines. Actually, I'm just going to export it just like we did with our last assignment. Ah, that's why it doesn't look right. There we go. Okay. So now, these two lines are touching. Okay, are they touching at a 90-degree angle? No. Okay, 90-degree angle is a right angle, right? They're not touching at a 90-degree angle. So they're not parallel, they're not perpendicular, they're just two intersecting lines. Okay, that's all I got. There's nothing else I can say about those. Okay, my next two lines, we have 2x plus y I think that's actually the same line. Should have deleted it. And then we have 4x plus 2y equals 4. Let me export it, drag it. Okay. I started with a black line and I ended up with a red line over it. So that makes me know, okay, that those two lines are the same, they're just written differently. Now, also the reason we're using Desmos for this isn't y equals mx plus b form. This is standard form, a little bit harder to graph, okay? So just want to put that out there. So these two lines are coincident, okay? Probably should these two lines make it full and complete sentence. Because, you know, English is important. Okay, so next, I got this 2x plus y equals 2, same as this one. And then I have 2x plus y equals 4. Okay, let's take a look at this graph. What do we know about these two lines? Are they going to ever touch? They don't touch, right? And then they must be parallel. So that's what I'm looking for. I probably should say that these are coincident because they're the same line. Not line, not time. And these two lines intersect because they touch at one point. Okay, so I forgot that. And boom. Last two lines. Okay. Same line's the same, 2x plus y equals 2. And then this line is x minus 2y equals 4. Let's take a look at this guy. Now, these two lines clearly intersect, but they intersect at a 90-degree angle. They are perpendicular, okay? Because these lines intersect at a very specific, see these guys over here? Not 90 degrees. Pretty close, but not 90 degrees, okay? It's closer to like 80, 140 is over here, okay? These guys are at exactly 90, so they're more interesting than just intersecting lines. They're perpendicular lines, okay? So your assignment looks at, I'm going to put two pairs of lines in just like I did right here. You're going to put them in. I just basically modeled exactly what you're going to do. And you're going to say, are they parallel, perpendicular, intersecting, or coincident lines? And then why, okay? That's all you got to do for assignment 2. If you need any help, please meet me, come to full group sessions and as well as office hours. I will be here. Email me, text me, voicemail me, whatever me, and I will be here to help you. Miss you guys.